Discover the pinnacle of innovation with the best form golf cart battery charger for Club Cars of the Year. Elevate your golfing experience with cutting-edge technology designed for optimal performance. This powerhouse charger ensures efficient and reliable charging, keeping your golf cart ready for action. Stay ahead of the curve and choose excellence. It's not just a charger, it is a commitment to superior quality and reliability. As we delve into the details, you'll discover why Form battery charger stands out as a reliable choice. Designed with precision, our charger boasts OBC detection, ensuring seamless compatibility with both functioning OBC, onboard computer, and non-OBC 48 volts golf carts. This innovative technology simplifies your charging experience, allowing you to plug in and forget about it. The 7-stage smart charging system adapts intelligently to your battery's needs, enhancing its lifespan and performance. The Form Club Car battery charger has a portability and lightweight design. Weighing in at just 5.5 pounds. The 16-feet power cable provides flexibility, eliminating the hassle of parking next to an outlet or resorting to dangerous extension cords. Carrying an impressive IP67 weather resistance rating, it is dust and water resistant. It is compact and space efficient, with a length of 8.25 inches, width of 4.75 inches, and a height of 2.75 inches. It effortlessly fits into your golfing routine without occupying much space. Our team's recommendation is backed by field tests and customer feedback. With a stellar rating of 4.5 out of 5 stars in customer reviews, the Form Club Car battery charger has proven its worth since its availability from December 10, 2019. Now, you can focus on your game without fearing damage from water, dust, or vibration. Elevate your golf cart charging experience with the Form Club Car battery charger, a fusion of reliability, innovation, and customer satisfaction. We hope this review provided valuable insights and helped you make an informed decision. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. Make sure to click the links below for more information. Feel free to share your thoughts in the comments below.